Hello, my beautiful people. Watch the movie, The Fall of Godfather and Goddaughter, part one or two. My people, you don't come outside, oh, my people. Not be small matter, not be small big. A no get one of Deutschland don't finally come outside. As they hurt my people, a no get of Deutschland come outside, say he don't drop and every charges against Vera and the husband, where they call Benjamin. Say for now, their matter they pending or he don't cast one come for in diary. Say na in and he got daughter. My people, now welcome. Make una hear what he got daughter right for a platform. He got daughter right and say where they call Perigo. Say the kind swear where Enoge and Vera they swear for their own their picking enemy no will reach their picking enemy body, but na their own head they go take carry on. Now waiting Perigold right for public view be this one. You understand? He say because into like picking. So it no good as Enoge and Vera drag picking enter inside this matter, my people. He say because of that one, na make am write am boldly say make dem leave their innocent pikin out of this, my people. So na Enoge come outside come call e goddaughter come tell am say why will you write that one, why you go insult me wey be your godfather. He say na advice he wan give him godfather, so he come give am open advice. Na that one dem dey call open rebuke. He say he no like inside rebuke, na open rebuke in like. You understand? According to the way T-Boss they talk and say, he don't take away in the advice for inside. So you need to come outside, open rebuke, so that may for here. Okay, my people. So now what thing happen be that one, a lot of people can say, why no give? Draw this small picking near body, say now in do himself, just the way inte do to his ex-God father. Okay, my people. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depends on the time you guys are watching me from. Make una come listen to this Ogbonge Almighty a video where I want drop for here concerning Enoge and his goddaughter wey just fall apart from prank to reality, my people. No be small matter, no be small gbege. I bet make una come ask, make una come judge this matter. Whether wetin Enoge do was right or wetin goddaughter do was right, or wetin Vera and his husband do was right or wrong, my people. You understand? Because Perigo talk say na advice in they give. Say if he got father they fear to give am open rebuke, but she wey be her goddaughter, she no dey fear open rebuke. My people, no be small matter, no be small gbege. The fall of godfather and godmother just started. This one no be prank, oh, my people. This is reality, because when I hear some kind gbege you dey crazy dey now I know say this one don't pass, be careful. Water don't even pass garri now, e don enter eba. You understand? So now wetin I see for here now be that, my people. Because a lot of people come they talk say Enoge, for your goddaughter to fall apart from you. Now the same way you take fall apart from your godfather, where they call Eddie Murphy, aka the the president of a social media. So now, so you take fall apart from Ihan, my people. How true is that? You understand? Because he don't already go apologize, but people still they put them for inside matter. Say me they use and taste them talk. Okay, say he did the same thing to his godfather. So make una come here how matter they play my country people. So you know they come outside now, come ask people say waiting very good. Right put for that post, whether it good or not. You understand? You call me your own person. You go inside house. You call me your own person. You give me soup. Anytime enter inside. You use your cheat they remove am from inside my plate. If I come be your enemy, what you for do? Maybe na headache, and whether na headache, I be na if forgive you headache. You understand? Say why fish will follow your meat. So now wetin Enoge try to talk be that one. Enoge say in goddaughter no get right to take call right that kind thing. Now our beautiful sister Ivieni aka Kalekwa, the lady of truth come into the show come talk say na him brother him blame. You understand? His cousin brother na him blame for drawing that small girl close to himself. You understand? Why will you use that kind of small pikin take do godfather, goddaughter? So now people come they write say just like the way you take fall from a past side from goddaughter to far away distance person. So you understand? So now Perigold say he like to give in Godfather open rebuke because he don't tire for the whole matter. Not be small thing, not be small matter, not be small gbege with the settle for here, my people. From prank to reality, how I don't understand because mommy love talk am, other presenters still talk and say, why will you use this small pikin? They talk many things about your wife. That trauma to your wife, you understand? Say the prank was too expensive, you understand? And they come say, I'm prank, they pass that one, oh, may they not think can this, and then I come say, okay, no problem. Since you said may they not think can, congratulations. It's not up to 2 weeks now. The prank not come to reality because she don't already get the opportunity. They throw mat to them for prank, you understand? You get one movie when I watch, my people, when comot for the sim, they don already comot for the sim ground, so they just dey waka dey go, they come see the video dem. The next thing, one person come throw mat to Kanayo. Na there na Kanayo come tell am say, this one is not film again, you are insulting me indirectly. He come say, I'm sorry sir, I just say na movie. No, you understand? So na so the matter take happen. As I dey tell una so, I weak when I see this video. When person call my attention, come and see Enogie and Goddaughter, they do prank again, but this very time is too big. Now it's okay, make I run my chair near my television, may I for the hear and well, because if I sit down for chair, I no go hear and well. When I begin to hear different things, now I say, the story don't work, my people. Not be small matter, not be small big, not pull handle. Now so we see my people. So that's okay, make I just bring the video come knock and fall now. Table, make una see how they play, because now the fall of Goddaughter and God's father don't finally arrive. Who's cause all this kind of palaba, all this kind of gbege? They say na Vera matter with Benjamin matter na ikosa, and they say Benjamin even talk say he go make sure say he turn the two of them to do your own, I do my own. My people, how truth is that? So Benjamin juju really dey work. The first prank wey they do, they say na Benjamin. The second prank to reality, now they say na Benjamin. Nothing Musa no go see forget too. Maybe they first get Benjamin for inside body, or people go just the chat now say na Benjamin. You understand? So we don't know where this one from they come. So my people, this Christmas get us a B. Now the three family be this one: Goddaughter, Godfather, and God's wife. Sorry, wife, you understand? But now, as I dey tell una so, husband don't carry a wife enter house. Why Goddaughter? They can't remove one from inside this post we una dey see for here. So now so we see the matter for today, my people. I no go to take una time. The video long, not be small thing. So I will say make I leave una, make una watch the full episode of this, the fall of Goddaughter and Godfather. My people, happy view. I beg, make una help me share this video. I beg, not be small thing, so that may other people you still use and take learn. May they still know waiting day for inside town. You understand? So people they ask Enogie now say, why you will use that small pikin to do Goddaughter? You understand? Why you not think before you act? So now you can say, you don't know if you say maybe na better pikin, you don't know say na that kind of pikin that she be. So my people, I beg, make una come comment section, may we deliberate them, because this thing they cause a lot of people headache. You understand? You see the way this like Mohammed they put hand for head now. If you see other posts where they say now so head hand they put for head, because the matter don't pass Gary. You understand? Not be small matter, not be small gbege. Say so now reality be this one. Meaning the first one was not prank, according to the way rumor they waka for time. But I want to tell you say the first one was really prank, because if you go to Perry Gold War, you will hear it from her mouth. Happy view.
Iwe do wa maragbon Vera ke Benjamin mi akasu wa ene, because expire on a matter be like quit expire for my hand. Ya wa su wa ene for now. Vera and Benjamin muna yo the talk. Ya wa su wa ene for now. Perry Golden, listen and listen very carefully. If you they do that kind of rubbish for France, say person way senior you dey insult them. Now me see a passport no where more me away. Passport no where ya is a view born way. And where sis matter will not concern you. Now you say you want to rub body. Matter will not concern you. Now you say you want to rub body. The day I start to know as I tell the talk to you, and the day when it be say, a lot of people has been calling me in France. A lot of people has been calling me in France. This Perigodi, be very smart, be very careful with the way you do things with Perigodi. Be very smart. If not, that girl go insult you one day. I said na lie. But today it has come to pass, and you will regret it. You know why? I not do you any bad thing. If me are very at the quarrel, it not concern you. I know one they call you say, help me fat. Now you they do over Sabi call me say, Godfather, I want me to rest for this matter. Yes. So since you say you want to use the matter, rub yourself. That fan so you defend. Very good. You worry no. If you get the insult where you want to insult me, no. But you, I go deal with you. You say as you small, so you say not the fear person. I'll make you the fear person. All the names of people where you don't bring up for me say, may I donation, may I they use them, they do saga. Shebi, you just they play with person where be say, at first you reach this life. And they talk, me, I get to do my thing. I am quiet. You hate today, oh. Now today, France people want to know, people where they bring information come for me. You, me they call you, what I want to call you for? I never toast you once. I never call you once. I never do anything once. Ogun they kill you. Perigodi Ogun Boya. Who they very well? Must you hear you a bear? If I ball you a bear. Larry, and you had over with Tale. Huh? Since you say you don't want rest, you want to use Vera matter up yourself. Larry, my way Godfather me, we call it that day. So if me and my goddaughter quarrel and 0-0 and 1-1. But you were small way black. You never reached 27 years. You say 20, okay, 27. I 27. Stop poison. You say me now they call you say and they call you. You go call me for here, Godfather. You see this side of my friends. Your face this side. As I tell know you, yeah, where? Yeah, when you lost your Peking, then they announce they go say, now you kill your Peking. The thing can't touch me. I can't give you hope. I stand by you as they stand by person. What do you do? What do you do? Because you tell me, say me arrest for Vera matter. Not be you born my children. I don't know the oversabi where they worry you. Me and Vera they quarrel, not concern you. You not there Germany. You there France. You talk to me. I not say me come Vera. Now you they behave like person they smoke it go. Now you come Vera, you insult Vera finish that day. I shock when you call me that same night say you don't come Vera. Me arrest. You don't come out again. Over sabi where they worry you. Not be me carry matter come meet you. Listen. Me not to talk too much. Where? If I dey insult you, you not go. Now your papa they insult and your mama because if I say me they take her to you, me I not be age mate. Since you say you shop wish, you say waiting, you know if you see me, you not talk. Now today France people want know you. Now today they want know how you take the betray. Very good if they born you where, come Germany with your passport. Yeah? Me will go kill you. Since you know what, as with the Jews and the jokes, what I don't achieve from you, nothing. I know we are the for rescue you. I know we are the first stand by you. People go call me for here. Very good to do this, I'll block her. Very good to do that, I'll block her. I trusted you, I give you my password. I'm not conference. You say, okay, as I'm not conference, so now. Wait till go you up. I never give you that password that day. You know how many times you write me. Before I can't give you password, at the end of the day, what you do? Listen to me. That prank, now you still beg me, say you want to put page. Me, I used to do prank. At the end of the day, you don't get the follower way you define. Now me, you can't say, you not going to pursue you want to do saga. No. Now me, you no gay. Now you want to do saga. I will give you the view way define. But before then, that disgrace way define, I will give her to you. Me and Vera the quarrel. I not be your mate. Vera not be your mate. Benjamin not be your mate. My wife not be your mate. Ogu they kill you. If I like you, if you do prank, you know they know. Are you mad? You dey crazy? You dey mad? If you dey fuck dick way big pass you, you don't know who be your mate. Paris! Paris! I want to confess! I want to confess! I want to confess today. Paris! I want to confess! Because Perry, if you dey go social office, if you dey go social office, give you the man because they give passport, make they oppress your people for or good they kill you, you dey mad. Because they are saying they look you based on people will be say when you lost your pikin, I stand by you. People they saga you, I not saga you. I drag you closer to myself. So now so you want to pay me. Very, very good. What I go do you? You said me not block you, Abi. Comment for this video now. This is my live video. What I do now. Comment now if you feel comment. I blocked you. You understand me? I blocked you because you be stupid human being. They have warned me to stay away from you, but now me not yet. Now me not yet because I know say you go do one for my eye one day. You want me train. You want me tell say open Facebook. You want me train. All your secrets where you're doing my hand. Perry, if I get any secret, play them. Come out for recording. Over Sabine, I go kill you. Since now Vera matter, you want use that carry. I'm not saying you may talk for me a Vera matter. Now you call me. Even when you go fight the girl for us, I call you. Whether that's Susan, they call the girl. I call you not pick arrest. I not tell you say why you go fight the girl for us. Arrest. When you open Facebook, I tell you say, see how you take they make money for the Facebook. Me carry Vera matter come with you. How? Not be you call me, say, Godfather, I been want arrest for this thing. The way that they insult to your children, you know, like, and I say, okay, I obey you. I say you may call Vera, no. I say you may call Benjamin, no. Now you still call the finish. At the end of the day, messages there, yo. When you sit there at me say, fire them. Fire them. You will be small rat. Because I drag you close to myself, you can't feel. Paris! Paris! I want to confess. I want to confess. I want to confess. Because this guy, so, because as you small rich, you too small for me, Perry. I think the Vera Benjamin, wanna go holiday. I want to talk about matter again. Since Perry God they say, oh, go they kill you, you be bastard. Who give you the right? Go when they bring people matter wait pass on. All those people when they prison not contribute. All those people when they prison not contribute to what I want to confess. I want to confess. I want to confess. This is not prank. This is not prank. I want to confess. Oh, could they kill you? You tell me say the cost when me they cost Vera children. Say na my head I want to carry you. They mad. You they mad. Listen to me. I have never made you my admin. Stop lying. I only made you my admin for 2 hours. The moment that video they finish, because I not to trust you. I want to trust you. I gave you the fame today. Who know you as Perigodi? When everybody laugh, you say you kill your pikin. I stand by you. I encourage you. Or who they kill you? Now me want to give you. That person will give you the message. You say no, they give you. At the end of the day, you regret. Evidence day, recording day. You know how many of your friends you set up for my hand now. You say me at the recording. You say me at the recording. I really the recording. Now, Perigodi. Because I tell you say my phone spoil. Now you tell me say Vera they insult my children again. After you don't talk to say me I send you what you wanted to beat Vera. Now I still send you say okay. Do well my goddaughter. See the voice recording way they still send for me. See they use until they saga Vera. Where thing me can't do, you can't insult my godfather. I'll go they kill you. Me and you now mate. Talk less of the Murphy. You didn't mad if I bola wegboya. Oh, what's all go wegboya? Where they concern, ça va bien and good morning. Where they concern, ça va bien and good morning. Paris, I want to confess. I want to confess. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Oh, go Perigodi, you dey mad. Babola, you feel say if you curse me, I not come out for you. Curse na normal thing. Destiny Etiko. Now I carry Mama Jean need down yesterday for movie. Say make it need down for them. So you not get curse when you want curse me, we go pay me. If I say they pay me out, they cost your mama. I just say they cost my papa finish. That's so you reach. But that before you give me that disgrace, I can't give you with past disgrace. You be like Palagana. You never enter Saga. You don't be like Udon Bomo. If I deal with you finish today, that thing where you they enjoy. Well, una they say now my people. Una they say you go come me for here. Godfather, fire the Ogui boy. If I bring like come. Paris, passport to where? Come here. Call Germany. No, call Germany. Because then for France, you got me person for us. That one I just yours was Susan. Susan, Perry, God is small. Ovia Mimi no yekere. Ona la video. Ona buwe ajowa. He said me come down. You really come down. For Deutschland, you cannot try it. Ogu they kill you, Perry. Go diva bola wekbea. As you not still wear, now so me not still wear. Who know you? Who know you? You supposed to do the appreciate I use you to prank. Who know you? Who know you? Anyway, since you say you want buy Vera Matana now, you mean want clear the saga. Benjamin, Vera, go for Christmas holiday. We will continue from there, January. You see this Perigodi? Yeah, wow. Evidence there now. Stephanie Alice. Venuya Mwemware, ito te. Paris Bobo, Venuya Mwemware, ito te. Wabita, Venuya Watoge, ito te. Oh God, don't want to hey, wait a minute. Later today, you people will hear what you have not heard before. Oh, again, me not feel that for your head in case of if they want to swear. Don't let them worry. Hey, Stephanie Alice. I'm my oh, where is Stephanie? Evidence day. Susan, for your man, you say you get friend. Whoever say, Susan. Oh, what? Susan, they're pranking on him. Prank. For prank, what we fit do? We know insult each other, papa and mama. If una friend that say this one a prank, one of you they swear for me. Anybody will find that say this one a prank. Well, why am I women? This one not be prank. They don't give this girl Paris Igbo make you smoke. Since the Paris Igbo not good for your body, babe, your friend will go ahead yourself. You dey mad? You will be smart at. When you're there, because I say me I brought. That's what it be, oh. That's what it be. That's what it be. If I get what I do you now, if I say I get what I do you, I know people will don't bring their name to me. Or someone here, or wait, lesbian or I mean, lesbian or all those lesbian where they fat Perigodion Rototo. All those Paris Baba, I say Paris Baba, oh, people will go prison so. Perigodion Rototo. Now you be boss, now you be MD, now you be person, Larry. You regret why you even call my name. Passport where they say they give you. Now, what do they call them? Maladi passport. Missy get my passport for year, for Germany. If you get man, come Germany. Come meet me for us. No, what's all go about boy. Since you say you the craze, they know they see you the craze. I say you fat for my picking. I say you make you fat for my picking. If they insult my children for social media, now you're picking. If I thought say I do drama with my wife, it concern you. Now you I do drama with. If not be Vasabi way they fight for this matter, what it concern Vera. You say you want me fat. Now you gotta go cover and not. If you know that me beg you say me cover and I can't talk. I don't know the day we start to do. You don't get peace. When peace will wear. You don't get peace. How? You don't get peace? You never get peace. You want me person get peace. They will no matter if they too cute. They will no matter if they Beyonce. They will no matter. Paris! I want to confess. But person will push you for this thing. He go run leave you. Now me tell you, bet. Person will put you for this thing, go run leave you. Wait, voltage queen. Purity of us. Wabu, no more. How many of them? You know it. You know today. You say me use fake account. I can never use fake account to use your own daughter to mock you. Never. If I do that, may God punish me. I cannot mock you. No matter as I will insult you rich, I cannot insult your daughter. Never. But you see your papa, it's your born over here. Well, now where you want put body for saga when you small rat. You say I seen you with 10 years. 10 years not be big something. 10 years. Okay, 10 years. Not in 10 years time. You know that you still in Paris. You know that passport they don't collect that from you. Today, now you know say that the devil, now you just follow the play. Since you say you the mad, may we mad for each other. Ogo kill you. Abola egbe. Ogwason gwa ba ogbo e. Ah, Paris. Who not happy? Person when they be information, don't use your joy leg come as they mad. Well, not the same if I tell live video, now they call pass. Why they call? Why they call for live video pass? Why they call? When are they talk about 2 keto that day? Now you can't have for head pass. Why they call? Why I know? Okay, since you say you know you and this your godfather, you not get to na today. Why they always they call her godfather? Me no go ya me phone no. No pass on go boy. No pass on go no dey agwa. No lo wa la we godfather. Yeah, godfather ni me. Oh, your godfather ni me. Now you they see waiting me not they see for France. Okay, Paris oh. If for NATO Paris, one and west. Stand up. And no game is not in Paris. What is that happening that before una wake up, and no don't get information? Oh, na say they bring am. Very good, you don't see Saga. Saga now you want see so you get man. You say I not get down. I not get. Did I tell you to tell me truth? As you pray for my children, you pray for Vera. Oh, you not go shut up. What's why? Because you want to use your head carry on. Oh, good they kill you. Now you're picking. Now you born Ora. Now you born Nelly. Now you born Nadia. Now you are give Bele. I can never predict you. Oh, what's up, Paris, I want to confess. Paris, I want to confess. Since Perigodi say they mad, Perigodi say they crazy. Perigodi where maladi if you talk about my godfather again, I don't already call my social media president. There was one eye. When people were mocking you, I stand by you. But what you do me? At the end of the day, you betrayed me. You lose God or go kill you. See, if na set up say, may you see how your godfather want to behave. A behavior of boy. Step fearless. Who again? Hey, why you feel no if you're there? Timaya. They want Gazi. Amalawo. Perigodi is not your friend. I know you are in the prison now. God bless you and God be with you all. God will let them free you people by the next. They are not. Perigodi is the snake in Paris. Perigodi has killed Paris. Small body, big age. Or go Paris in there. I don't want to talk finish. If I ever record the day. Record if they're not causing that. Phone where would you say Perigodi win my Saga? Phone. My phone. Where did you fall? Larry, my phone. When I phone him every day, whenever day, when I win where? Telephone where they used to do live video. Where did you fall? Log on my boy telephone. Mother, ya want to move ya? If I better where is the other phone? Honey, yes. I told you that this phone spoiled. But it's like I know what is going to happen. That's why I want to repair it. Because now here your life full past this one. Oh, what's up, my boy? Now you want to say they tell me truth. When you support people, when they discuss one, you not tell me truth that time. When they support people, when they discuss one, you not tell me truth. I block you. Perigodi, if now dick they sweet you, if now dick they make body they cash you, if now care where you know where you they do for Paris all those big bola, now they make body cash you say, oh I want to saga. Now you tell me the body. Bet if you not regret why you bet. If you not regret and bet. Shebi you say if the cost you say you the conjure me, you call me the person. Because you as you see Suzanne. Because Paris, I don't even know how they take day. If you get passport, you know where they'll collect her from you. That's all you will be. You go to meet that girl at home. If that girl a better person, then Suzanne have a Zua. Suzanne, do where you are. Suzanne, where you are. Hey, shut up. Where you go anywhere? You my West Aga. Where the Vera girl? Vera, where you go? Oh, go up by Perigodi. Perigodi of the information go there. Una say more first to that today. We get here nowhere. First to that the man we will open. And okay. But on your juego. That you are. They reach everything where they happen. For Paris, you can't get man. Now you can't say you have no right to post the people in Paris. When you don't beat the call for me finish. Oh, you want to use my head. This guy want to use my head. This guy want to use my head. Perigodi. If you have movie, you are phone, phone. Funny. Anyway, even funny. Mujase. Perigodi. Later, you'll hear me from my hand. If you not do live video, then I'll go kill you. Small rat of 25 years, say 27 years, oh, good, they kill you. Benjamin, be happy. Vera, be smelling. Be happy that Enoge is not going to talk about you again. Perigodi has bear it on his head. And he want to bear it now. He think I will not come out. As you decrease, now so person they mad. Oh, good, they kill you. Okay, if you say, if you can't come out, I can say, I don't come out. Then I can say, Perigodi is a mad guy. Yeah, yo. Enoge is a mad guy. Enoge is also a mad guy too. What you say I not come outside. You say I be like you. When not they think before they do something. Now as you see Susanna, you look Susanna say, Ebe not day. Not today. That's where you feel do Susanna with you doing. Go person. Why you not meet better person as Susanna? Go to Clichy Soboa. Go to Stephanie Alice. Tell them say, make them come and make you confide them. Now person when you feel beat, now you defend. Wear boot be like this thing. Thunder fire you. It not be better. Vera not see better pass you. Yes. Vera not master well. Show me something say you want bear. Now you know how to say matter what person the bear. Matter what person the bear. Emma. Matter what person the bear is not good. I not talk to you. You want talk to me. You want to say now you good pass. When you be say how they discover people from Paris. All you know how to do is to clap and say Godfather Radon. Now, you want to talk to people that say, you are a nice person, and whereby you are the green snake under the green grass. You are looking for fans, but you go wave you. Shebi na fans you look for, but you go wave you. You'll see what you defend. Paris, Paris, apology to net. Opportunity, we want to do Christmas, so I want to apologize to everybody. I was misled that this Abiebie. I was misled by Abiebie because this one Abiebie, not be Abiebie, Abiebie because you be like potato with the teach away. You know you're rich, you be like small mosquito when you be say you hear they grow up. You want to use Mr. Saga or go kill you. Or go kill you. Try and conjure me. Say you want to call you for my godfather. Never bother allow it. Never bother to be like you will not the rest. When me I back quarrel, I was not happy. But after everything called we settled. Today we are happy. They say, hey pa, Eddie Murphy. You know respect. For when you call a pa, Eddie Murphy, you call me a no gay. Hey, no gay. Investor. Why did you use this bastard to do goddaughter? Where and where? No gay, Larry. He can't grab no there. You know where, Larry? Hey, my Yanamia Yahweh, goddaughter. He said that's why he called that one. That Momo called the tell and say, did that go wrong? Did that go wrong? No, you not go wrong. You press track. Who said you may comment for my live video? Nobody. If you not feel bear with me as Vera they do, why you not stay as? Why you not stay as? You say, make people for say you do. Now you want us to not support me again. You go nowhere, man. When you don't already make me change to even me I too cute quarter daddy. Whatever is here. They too cute in our way. Near in La France. What is here? If I don't bring Paris matter, a period take over you. Godfather. You push our car for him. Godfather. I thought as much in a way. Larry, don't you know soon why? I wear. Now they see waiting me, not they see. Now you want to say those girls you get out to sue them. Perigodi sue them. Oh, what's one of our boy? Why are they? Come and insult me. Say, who never see it, no get finish. It's not there now. But if I go places, people respect me. Imagine you. Copy me boy. You need copy here. Paris. Today, you people should come and experience what you have not seen in life. Perigodi, if now wish you shop, now that one shall better for your body. Because they not be the me when stand by you. I know what do this get bad thing once. When they even talk say she be ashawo, she dey go the bolo steadily. talk many things when she lost her baby. I say, you know, be a shower. I even posted a picture to give her mind. Person when me draw, hey God. Person when me draw close, say, now my goddaughter. Me now me can't give I don't go give us my password. I don't go give Mogo my page me till enter life. Page me don't suffer, where they don't cause me follow. You know why I'm on the way, nothing why I will laugh. Person like this one, I wish me put her for admin. Anything I want. You not keep the page from my hand overnight. Now you want to say you talk truth. A truth is boy wagmo. Which truth you want to talk? Paris, I want to confess. Paris, forgive me. I was misled by Perigodi. I'm sorry, my people. I'm so sorry. I love you all. Today, nah, today. Today, nah, today. Perigodi, come and swear. If me no gay. What you wear? What you wear? No begging. Perigodi, let's start and continue. Now you want yes saga. Since you don't pull, you say me Benjamin and Vera, me that you put Vera. If you like, you talk to me tomorrow. If you say I'm afraid, thank you. Holiday, nah, I don't go holiday for that matter. Perigodi. Now you are one your take they do saga now. The evil when you don't do. Come meet me for us. May I come down? You tell me I press bell. You hear? Or send anybody come. Hello. Hey, madam, call.
Come, brother. Now, I'm meeting with you for your last week.
You know your last week?
Eh.
You know. When I say you see Perigodi aye, it all remember. Perigodi na person when I can't let pass. You understand? But you see what she do so. I don't understand my sister. The highest finish. Imagine me and Vera would insult each other children because na Vera start am. Okay, you not feel bear and you not come out there. Not be she born or not be not concerned over sabi. You put the man, make them for say she nice, whereas she don't betray people for Paris before now. She don't make we post people picture. All those who call they look with one wire for Instagram. Now he cut us say he don't want to do again. Et tu vas pas moi. Ok, on va quitter on va. On s'en va mieux fou. Ça va? Oui, Dioma. Moi Perigodi a déjà mis gogo so comme do gbelu baba. Small pikin. When you use me share for social media. Oh bon. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Hello, we. Hello. I greet you. Who they talk? Who they talk? No, I'm not putting on for speaker. Perigodi don't provoke me, bros. I no lie. Perigodi they use those the small madness when they give her before she enter Europe, and the small wish when he eat. Hey, my brother, I don't do this girl back no. December 2019, I tell you this girl. As I know, and they say he lost the pikin, they bring the matter to me. Make a saga out of pityness. Now I say no. So they say she go do a shower before she come back. He lost her daughter. They think come pay me. I can say no. I know if you do this thing. Now he call me Papa. Zadi. Zadi, me call the okay, since the Zadi me. Let me enter the track. Oh. January 2020, we don't be friends, we don't constantly be close friends, you know. From there, we got close. Couple like saying that my mama will born as our last born. You can't imagine say, in way don't bring people matter to me, say, not to say na me, but now he go call pass later. Now he come the talk say, make me rest for people matter. Not be you defeat me, not be you my wife. I never see you for ground once. I never fuck you once. I don't know how the pussy be. Whether it's sweet or not the sweet man. Hey, get bye to before you know, this girl don't come out for me. I know even in certain things, I say, make it come more body for waiting me and Vera the face. Now this mumu girl come out this morning say, Vera wear boots. Now so me not come out. Now win. Now lose. Hello. The scene finish is too much. So I want me just see me finish. But before I go see me finish, make me do what it in my mouth. My mind. No, not the speaker. Bros, not be as usual. This will not be prank. This one so not be prank. If na prank, not be so affected, but for no insulting father, insulting mama. Even when we do prank that day, self, you know insult. As I want to know how Perry go the day for the France world, because this small pikin, he don't make me stress to everybody enemy. Bros, I don't know say na so she be oh. I don't know. I just drag her close to business. Say she lost her daughter. That pity. Say, wow, go saga. Now I take draw her close. Oh. Now the saga so me why since he say in because when he and Susan the quarrel, I called this girl for more than 3 days to take calm down. This girl not pick my call. I let her be. Where see Baba? Where see? Metori. Where see? Where see? Egbe wa worry. Ah, ye perigodi where? Me ma ye ban off. Me ma ye lele egbe na. It is a me play I can wait not the think where. Passport the cost grace. Where see? Paris, stand up. Paris, stand up. Today, I will come and say everything. Since Perigodi say in a next person, we will know who's next later. If not me, he gets some of her friends. Sandra, Shinyere. You remember the day when he say, una day on call. Perigodi call conference. He said me at the record though. Say, he can't involve Mama twins. Now that I tell involve Mama, love that sky gold. Involve her. Now it matter for you say, 2 cute no girls. May I start going where? If you do, you go say, Inez, you Nez, Abi, I will apologize to everybody today. Gorish, comment your hair with her. Now your matter for you. Say, he not love your wife like that, but he still love your wife. Now your matter for you. They go believe because now you did call me pass for you. Oh boy, I said that. Oh boy. If I tell you any secret, blow 'em. If not, you tell me, say, you want to help me to fight for Vera, I don't send you message. May Vasabi kill you. Man, give you be like a person where they look for famous. They try to look for public. They try to look for. Who know you, Perry? Who know you? Who know you? Who know you? What's wrong with our boy? Yeah, is there not going to tell? I want to dash out. Hello. Hey, madam, call. You see, all this no, I beg one and they beg me for this small picking. They pay me, oh, I no lie. They told me. No, they pay me because Perigod is saying in the man. Better, oh, we have passport. Why use me to get? See, where?
Before case on Ghana, voice record go. You know we no loud or no account no loud. No matter what we are we hold. We don't have any sagin Monica. Kakere is there region. You know na you I this any see I my key.
Oh, the Benjamin and the Vera, me don't give them holiday. If they like, they talk nothing tomorrow. I not go answer them again. I don't give them holiday. Ogwane. Yesterday, I tell her say me come up body. Imagine Bonano there. I only tell her say from today she ceased to be my godfather, goddaughter. When on Ladian, or I Ladian, or swear, you don't insult me already. No. Perigodi, no go fit use me. Say, my sister, I regret. What's it? Let's see. Another years old because now he use a mat. Yesterday I say come up body. This small rat. I tell you this morning they talk say me go measure in name. Who be Perigodi? Who be you? How way? Who be you for France? No problem, Sha. You no guy. No problem. Pastor Grace! Oh, shit. Honey. On a de France. May I say confess? Perigod, if you not come and let her go kill you, you dey mad. You were me tray. I want to apologize to you. I am a deaf husband. Deaf. I am a deaf husband, wife. You told me about this look good for nothing, stupid, illiterate. Say, when we go Perigod, but I don't hear word, my wife.
What remember?
Honey! Sorry for everything. I now know. I said.
Or you said you don't actually sorry. If you don't say that, they tell me sorry.
Let's go.
Then they tell them we be men.
What talk
we be women, they jealous.
Hey, over Sabino. Moya,
not get level. Benjamin not get me. I never hear down before.
Oh, wait.
Wait, they talk bless if you don't fair date. Because I you say this one girl. You are not.
Yeah, you don't know who I am. I know the date Slimmy girls. Hey, Perigod, you wear my hair. Perigod, you wear my hair.
At first I thought maybe she don't mean now. I write her, she insult me for inbox like
Perigod, you wear.
Like say we be mates.
Perigod, you wear. We are unai.
They talk to you know a year.
Sorry. Okay. Apologize accepted. Oh, be a hook be. A man may not be too well. I love my wife. Perigod, you wear. You don't just fail. Where Me I fuck who. We have Vera, be happy. Benjamin, be smelly. Vera, be happy. Benjamin, be smelly. Very good. That the premier person not use the head. Carry waiting up in you. Now you carry so. Paris, Stephanie, Alice. Stephanie, Alice. Steph, come to here and listen. Come here where? Why did you want to down here? The unholy one of Paris. Then I make love is gold. What they? What are they? Kevin too cute. I love you, my brother. My good Beyonce. You know, tell me, say you the go that said, Oma, now here today. Beyonce, wife of too cute. I love you. Wife of A1. I love you. Don't want to anybody. Oh, Boogbe. Success surprise. What they? Success surprise. What they? Ozen Murphy Bar. Oh, sorry, Baba. Be happy. Oh, Vera, be happy. Ozen Murphy Bar. Be happy. Miss Pretty Tasha. Miss Pretty Tasha. Oh, Wuri go yo wa. Oh, where? Ti you are. Eka you have wa. Tasha Blaze. Oh, woman, confession. Today I want to say everything. Paris Baba. Oh, my brother. Paris Baba. I love you so much. Imagine again, Najo. Imagine. Then I make boy. Hello. Viens. Vous rien veiller. Mais que tu is there? Maman. Mais que tu is there? Nazo me bolové. Mais viens. Talk boy. Okay. Why can't I give me?
Well, so you're honey, I will be honey.
Eh, no. Me o yo honey, we e na soro was isikegbe odun mi wefu.
But it was very obvious we be honey o ma now it is very
Me ma ona wa yoge. Me na we Mrs. Yobosa to Mrs. Yobosa. Pericode gwati me o wa yoge. O wa ya mu me o ya. O wa yoge. O ya zanzan. Me o call the verse for people. Okay, with Paris people not they say that the people will be say they be friendly people. They supposed to say all the information when me they get for Paris, I started to get on. Ow. Again I got him. Oh, okay, what day? Me of course use my sense for some say on a the period now what do I have there, man?
Right from time even when I tell you there, il a votre travail dans j'ai. Okay, that one. And when I feel bad boy you do, if you go you do my brother.
Give me my blame.
Hello.
Give me my blame.
Not feel bad. Now you freezing to that no. A post in me, comment in your honey comment. Or your honey to be. You understand? Or where we so many yahu. Okay, where no or my dog when you comment no comment. Utie. And we want live video.
It's here. You go my friend. When no sunu. Adamio. It's here. I called her. Omamu. It's like she was sleeping already. You know the voice say, I met them. I tell her, I say, come. Which kind of nonsense finish be all this one? If you want to react to this kind of thing, you don't know my inbox or maybe you call me directly, we'll talk.
Yeah.
You understand? You know that my dear. When they get at away, anyhow, my wife, I will give me a good one now. Away, anyhow, you want to reason the matter. Reason like that. That was what you said.
Okme ni kebe ono do no fi pe gwe wo kwa we. Ra okme na mi we omane ka mo nyi me no omane ka omane da ya gwe no wa gwe no ya respect o my. Man of family bia kai na mi we emi kebe awa de yen so atalo ati e bo no.
Very useless somebody.
Who block e why who was here kino.
My sister, in a way where no there because in the claim now say she nas. No there, and I don't have my way. Guy, very the baby roll you with me, man. It matter now. Mario no buayo. Come more body for this matter. Don't ever come more body for this matter. When you behold, my sister. Do you know what she said? Oh, we are now. In not threatening. He was threatening. In not have me. If very what that for know the way. Ni ado have a train station here. Me mayo. Eh, na bi. Eh, na wa bibi ahian. Eh, bibi se wa ne me marry. At the end of the day, e perigodi wa la dia. Eh, who don't win. Who don't lose. They said the boot were very aware. And when I said they go me, now I look the thing. E perigodi Italo. He said, who the fuck are you? You don't know Perigod. Who the fuck are you? Who give you the this guy called the talk with what can I say now wish? Like when you know me where me do the toast on head or yeah? Hey! Azonge ya gbe yan gbere. That emotion hit. Ya gbe yan gbere. But hey, if Vera we Benjamin medite me an. No, if you not here, if you need here, Daniel, if you listening to, if you Daniel, he insulted me, he not insult me, doesn't, I'm not even not fear of anybody, but for she to the form Nez, now say in Nez, but before you bring Paris people matter come at table, at the end of the day. And your calling myself Yagari. Okay. I don't know what it got the cost you. Where you get the message. Now he go contact to me for year. That's a social media this thing now. I understand. So when you can't do no. Listen. Dario, over here, I monetize Benjamin. Today is receiving money. If I monetize Perigod, it's not a big deal. But I have to confess now to the Paris people that every year now, I want to do that. I want to do that to Momo now. My sister, I told him, I love doing Momo things. I'm telling you the fact. I want to do Momo. Eh, God don't take it all. If you, hey, if you, no, God don't take it. Yeah. But where is the matter? My body, hello. Where? Oh God, if you is eating suya, where is the matter? Hey, no more. God don't take. Tama wewe. Motamo wewe. No more God don't take. God don't tell me, well, I agree. You people are not my sisters. Nah. Hey, hey. Small rat. He say he mean they call his name. Small rat. Susan, where they follow? Go, Susan, we buy me. Susan, a picture where have your ribbon. Where you go to battle in Paris? Why talking there? Larry, but hey, if you in social media, no age, nobody's senior to each other. Social media, nobody's senior to each other.
I understand.
What can I? blocking. Over here, man. In social media, nobody is senior to each other because na social media the first day.
Mama Krista. You see.
Oh, Larry. Very even wa unye uyo kanana. Any information I don't go don't talk about this, okay? So me I say very good day. Look at what my wife wrote to this Mughal Perigodi.
I don't know before.
Listen, no, after she don't write, see what she write. Yeah, we.
Now you for start. So you are in support.
Oh, I'm not to tell my way. So you are in support of Vera insulting my children. You know that man laugh out loud. That's nice of you. You even get man to insult me and my man. Well, I know what to do. This is see finish. That one I did not. That one I did not.
My hope was I go with the buggy. Oh, mama, not be what you think.
That one I did
not. You tell reason now. Again, I give begging me, mama. My vibe, mama, was see finish. You know, we have never talked before. We don't have each other number. He pop knows that. My going around did you want you be that? Give me phone. I don't do that. I'm bigger than that because no, she's a baby.
Daniel.
I don't give myself to her.
Daniel.
We are not friends.
Daniel. You not do my baby. Then a day be, you know that called the feast because even before daybreak, I'd already the maid. Already say which kind of nonsense who give Perigodi that right to go that nonsense. A day be you not make your hammer, or where you can call it whatever you want. No good money, oh. I believe this is not the only comment I left there. Calling your own children Ashawo on live video. Me. Mana do we a prank. Ma we prank a film. So mana do tagwe since a variety of me Ashawo, me Ashawo. Even ojiwe no. Mana do okay in order ga wane na go ki Ashawo salo ba ne ga Ashawo. Ima wa ya with film. Ima lo ye coffee. Ima lo ye coffee in Nigeria movie. I don't notice her.
They never see body.
When my baby, if anything with me they do, you know they know. You know they know my package. I don't ever tell you. Wait, Perigodi mo Perigodi mo Perigodi mo Me have Perigodi ogu. It's okay.
You must tell me say you know.
Perigodi mo if I not below, you may have cut a million or anyway. You ain't there. Now,
I'm going to be a child of the
not on my wedding. Yeah. There we not African away by. And when you're nugget, and when you're nugget synthetic. There we not. David no ya, no ya fiti me. David no.
Mama, I don't talk about that.
If you, I
because I've been telling you about this small girl. I've been telling you about her.
If you,
go about her. Stay clear for this crap. You don't hear.
If you, I
was telling you for a lot to stay clear from her, but I don't like her.
If you,
You get 4 guests. Which brother you refer again? You get 4 guests. Which brother you refer again? Which after 4 guests? Which brother you refer again?
I know, honestly.
If you, why met him, Larry? Why met him? Why met him? Why met him? Met me. Met me.
I fuck her. Why met him? You go to the brother. Now she will still go back tomorrow.
Larry, ìwé nu mẹ́dì. Ìwé nu mẹ́. Ìwé nu mẹ́dì mẹ́. Wẹ̀ má mẹ́dì mẹ́.
Ìyá aṣáwó gẹ̀ẹ́gẹ̀. Ibẹ̀ yẹn tí ètò kò ní tẹ̀lé sí náà. Ọmọ kan wẹ́n náà fi ọgá bú ọdún bí àárẹ̀.
Oh, God. If you mẹ́dì mẹ́. If you mẹ́dì mẹ́. If you mẹ́dì. If you mẹ́dì mẹ́. If you mẹ́dì mẹ́ ọmọ bye bye. Where back I? You
tètè yìí ti wọ́n fi lókèrè gbẹnu sí àyè ọtún ìgbè very good mọ́ ọtún ìgbè òbí ọ̀kan ní máa gbá tóòrì máa wẹ̀.
Where see? Mahuya, you have to confess about. Where see? Getting.
What I
Hey. Larry. If you need what? You no medi me ba, ma medi me. Advice igualo. Medi me. Ni me na ever see. Ni me na medi me, ma medi. Medi me, ma medi. You know that. You do medi me. Je non. Ye non. Pastor Grace. Hello. Hey, Baba, tu es.
Quoi, toi, Nuki. Obiri. La moi, la speaker.
Tony, Baba. I say, I just give and say, okay. People, will say, we are live on. But I decided to drag her closer to myself. Then I can't give her the man, say, make she till they talk nonsense. The social media now, everybody is the same. Okay, 22 years. Orlando Ato only 27 years. Information on Perigodi Waviore. Otai. Oragba le viewer, Oramawe, Navi with prank. Even we prank, you know. I only ni Edona, my sister. I only mwe. It's too small. That get too small to do all those rubbish. Too small now. Yeah, what? If you know you will be fancy, you tell your name where it. Yeah, we say. We'll see. If you come out today, insult me. Tomorrow, insult me. Next tomorrow, insult me. The people will sit tired. Insult me, not concern me. But what you do me, I'll do. What you want me, you do. Say now you nice pass. Not bad. No, for the admin, she not forget when she take be my admin. She lied to you people. Say she be my admin. Then admin or he? That is the Abby amigo. Where's he? Where's he?
Why a woman of Harikasa, I will not buy one of so one year. Every of anything. My son, I will not buy one, I don't know so much year.
Mamma, what do I tell you?
If I see where I don't know, the way they are there, we must get it. They are come away, or my not sick or it. Or come away, or not always a look at it like them at back. Go take it on, I know.
Oh no one ultimate. Oh no one ultimate. I let me go. Oh it's here where. Give me no even soon with Paris you. You will even soon. You know what beg where you want to tell Paris again now no. Again now no. Again now no. Shebi you say you be devil. Now the devil they follow the Dan and West so this way. When my it's where. Orita mare na we iyan na we ya kede do pa ki lo enwa lele kede imagba e no je ona ya ti vera won yin ya imagba e ona e oversabi oge wi agbe ogi wo oversabi I dey work e work ya no yo oversabi o yata thank you if the feel na you guys pass you want see wisness today a wisness we am here who we man ladian very good even if abana la we because you come out to you not come out to nobody can stop me not to do my thing come meet me for us I dey wait for you hear do wa we wa nu ba bodo la we Paris but I want to confess join me tonight by 9 o'clock as I unveil the thing Stephanie Ales. Oh, you don't suffer for very good in hand. Who again? Many voltage queen. Francisca. Who? Francisca. Who? Many. There many. I will take a small. Very good. They come out. If you not come out, about loud way. Come out for social media. They know they see senior. They know they see junior. Everybody can insult anybody. That's it. But I can never insult your daughter. Never. If not be very away insult. For me to insult your papa, I would insult your mama and your papa. God forbid. If not be very away start to the insult person papa. Me not the do one. You dey feel me? You say enough you date black and fair boys. Who I date you before? You do yansh like you get how your pussy go be? How that one go be? Call that video. Now the other one I give you, now I take from you. So go cry if you want cry. Go die if you want die. You dey mad. You don't use me share to all Paris enemy. All Paris enemies. People will not do me anything. You carry the concert. Now say they shop with my money. I'm on logo de prison now. I don't know say person wey they call it paddy. Even them Eddie. All of them. They go do the betrayer to everybody. Like bastard. You will say they work for the social. Tell your social media they come find me for Deutschland. Tell them. Say me they come find me for Deutschland. Ogun kill your social. Ogun kill your social. Social way when you tell the bring people they come at table. I have evidence there. Join me later. Very good. You are a bastard. If you Shebi you say you know you say Vera and Benjamin matter. Now you come buy the matter. So as you buy and so good for you. Vera and Benjamin, I mean, no, they talk about them again. If they like, they come and talk about me. I don't get another new job. Very good, this is my new job. Bye bye for now. Join me later.